What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing the first episode of Is It Clean? It's my new game show. Basically, we're going to be going around this car and trying to find areas that aren't clean. Yeah, you're expecting a video of me showing you all the clean stuff. I'm going to do my best to try to find something that's not clean, and we're going to fix it. Starting off with the steering wheel, this thing is actually pretty clean. Probably because I've washed it multiple times in the last few days. Just because I've been test driving this car. I love it. Freaking love this car. But it's clean. Now, we're going to try an area that's a little bit more tricky. Right back here, we got this little compartment. That is a very clean compartment. This car literally has 2 glove boxes. That's basically the coolest feature I've ever seen before. That's awesome. But top one, we're looking super clean. Bottom one, I'm gonna have to vacuum that out here. But that is cool. Now, we all know the dirtiest part of the car, where you're obviously gonna be throwing all of your garbage. Let's see how this goes. Okay, that's actually pretty clean. Back seats are clean. So if you guys haven't noticed by now, basically this whole video is to show how clean we actually are. We put a lot of effort, a lot of time into making sure that our dealership and our vehicles are clean for you, your family, your friends, whoever is coming in with you. We want to make sure that it is a safe place for you guys to come in, build your credit, get a reliable vehicle. So with that said, give us a call, 608-663-1213, or come visit us in the store at 5234 High Crossing Boulevard in Madison, Wisconsin. Have a nice day, guys.